Hey, this is Mike from RFIDLinked. In today's video, I'll be using my C5 RFID scanner with my CP30 printer to go over how to print your first RFID tags. We will go over the initial setup process, layout, and functions, so let's get started. We will begin by turning on our CP30 printer by holding down the power button for at least 3 seconds. Now that we have the printer turned on, we can go over the application. Now that we are here, we have our files, print tags, begin scanning, RFID audit, and settings. We are going to go ahead and select print tags. At the top, we see that our CP30 is currently connected and online. In the top right corner, we will select the printer options, select the settings menu for the CP30, and click print test label. Now that our connection is verified, we can return to the previous page. Here we have options for EZTag printing, bulk EZTag, generate retail tags, and convert UPC to RFID. We're going to go ahead and select EZTag printing. Here's a quick overview. This is our label preview window as well as our input fields, and we do have some additional preset fields which you can customize however you like. Right over here we have our edit labels options. We will go back and select the custom preset for now. Here we have some fields that I will go over. This option selects the primary field that we printed on the tag via QR code. The following option adjusts whether or not the human readable is printed on the tag, and lastly you can lock the fields for recurring prints. For this example, we will go ahead and scan a UPC. And lastly, I will type in the final field. Now I'll click send to the printer. And now that we have one tag printed, I have an option to finish printing or to print another tag, and as you can see, all the unlocked fields are blank and the tag reset back to default. We will now select begin scanning and a new scan session. First thing I will do is show you how to configure the settings for your scanner. We have an option to switch modes, RFID antenna power, toggle single or continuous scan option, and our scan filters. Now we'll go ahead and pull the scan trigger. And now that we have our tag over here, we can preview the information for it. We can also select locate and it will guide us towards the general direction of the tag. Once we've located our tag, now we can save our tag and the entire session within our files. We can give it a name and add additional nodes, as well as export it right away. For now, I will save it simply as test. If we go back, we can select the files. Once we are here, we can retrieve all of our session details. This sums up our introduction video to printing and collecting your first RFID tags. In the future videos, I'll introduce you to our new Pro tags, how to set up your first product definitions, importing a bulk file for printing, and auditing your tagged inventory. If you're looking to buy one of these printers or a complete bundle, I'll leave a link in the description. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please visit us at rfidlink.com.